Why is Somang Wangchu such a great scientist of India in protest in Ladakh? And about 30,000 people, which is 10% of Ladakh's population, is now on protest. Let's find out in today's video. So hello guys, this is Ankit Sahu signing into my channel, and today we will be talking about the problems going on in Ladakh. So let us first have a quick let us know basically who is Somang Wangchu. So Somang Wangchu is a great person. I can, if you can quickly relate if I say that the story of Three Idiots was somewhat based on his life, but later he has said that it's not so. It's just a part of his life and not even that much related. So he is an NIT Srinagar graduated, and he's a great scientist. He had made so many kinds of invention. He is a real engineer in his life. He had made buildings which are what to say it absorb the sunlight, sun's energy, make the room heated. He uses basic science in practical life and makes such great inventions. He even made ice stupa, which is basically no, he freezes water in a self artificial glacier. I can place the image over here, and tents for armies and many inventions. He had even said once that he had tried to save the some areas. Such a big flood had happened in Ladakh. He had even tried to stop that, but he wasn't. So he's such a great man. He's a he in Ladakh has his own office and is a founder and CEO and manages some student no it's school basically school or 11 12 up to where he himself and his group teaches in the best way possible, and some of the best students only get seat. No, it's they are likely to go over there. So he is such a great personality. So when he is on protests, that creates a great impression. No, over the protests increases the specification or no the speciality, we can basically say, of the event. So what does the people of Ladakh wanted? So before we know, Ladakh was a part of Jammu and Kashmir, but in 2019, as we know, it was Jammu and Kashmir was divided, and this Ladakh was divided. But the Ladakh was given union territory, uh, the sign of union territory. So they demanded for including Ladakh in sixth schedule. So what is sixth schedule? Sixth schedule is basically the uh, giving freedom for them to create district council and regional council, and which would giving them freedom to manage their own land and resources, but and they want a full state head, they means, and two MPs over, as they are having only one in Lok Sabha, they wanted that too. So these are some of the basic demands which needed to be fulfilled as per them. So, but as per BJP, or the the ruling party, uh, that have beforely promised this thing to include it in the sixth schedule and give this all things, but now they are it is not um, in mood to allow this. What's the reason behind? It is said that the reason behind this is that the no the party or the government wants to use the resources, the lands, and the as we know, Ladakh is as a at a great strategical position, and it has many resources and many things, mean forest, timbers, and recently in the border, Kashmir and Ladakh border. Yes, so the resources like the lithium reserve found was even in the border of Kashmir and Ladakh. So basically, the government want to use all that. So it is not in mood to give them the rights, and so the protest is on. I am suggesting you to visit the channel. I'm putting the link over here, and even in my description, you can check the Somang Wangchu's channel and find out what the problem going over there, and he's on hunger and diet fast or something like that. That is for 21 days. So I think you should check the channel and you should help him by joining his Instagram pages, and where you can save, you can give some kind of support to him, as he said in his video. This was just a contribution to one of the great scientists, Somang Wangchu, and the problem which he is focusing on. Let's support him for the problem so that he can get the right of Ladakh. So thank you guys this much for today's video. This is Ankit Sahu signing off.